2023 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 8,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control. This is a top-rated dealer. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.